Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic SE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Santorini black. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where we will find the LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading on the sides, you're going to find further sleek features which are all a courtesy of the black exterior pack, as it sits on a set of upgraded 20-inch 10-spoke gloss black alloy wheels. To the rear, you will notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, and the sleek look of your rear LED taillights, as well as further black badging. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast amount of boot space, and to the left and right of this vehicle you'll see further storage hooks. In the rear, passengers are certainly going to enjoy their ebony perforated grey leather seats and own climate control systems. Glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way driver memory heated front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. And as we advance over to your heated multifunctional steering wheel and your 11.4-inch Preview Pro touchscreen to finalise our journey at your panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar, which is here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.